I am Molly McGowan, and I am a senior lecturer in the Saunders College of Business, and I'm also the director for the Leadership Academy in Saunders. So, as the director of the Leadership Academy, I work with a student leadership team that plans programs for leadership. so, my role was kind of bringing the team together and then letting them come up with the ideas and let them kind of shape the vision for the conference, the summit. To be assertive. No, I would say the main takeaway is the courage to be assertive, right? To not hold back, not let their fears hold them back, but to advocate for themselves, to negotiate for themselves, to be assertive when they need to be, especially as leaders. Well, they did a lot of things well, but I would say it was pretty amazing that in such a short time they were able to come up with good ideas, like meaningful products that could help better society. I thought it was very good that they could tap into each other's strengths. So it was a diverse group of students with different majors and backgrounds, and to be able to come together and utilize their talents to make a product that could serve the community, I think was pretty impressive. Oh, so many things to think about. One of the challenges was planning this in the middle of a pandemic. So our numbers were limited in terms of space, like how many students we could have safely in one place, and then the breakout rooms and even the food considerations. So we had to think about time, because you can't have students here for 5 hours with no food, right? So I think as the pandemic starts to get better, hopefully, and rules ease up, we might extend it for 4 or 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours, so it's not so rushed, and have more time for the project challenge, that kind of thing. More time for the breakouts too, because those were rushed as well. To get out there, to find positions and opportunities where they can lead. So whether it's leading a project in class, so in one of their classes, whether it's volunteering at a nonprofit, becoming more than just a member on a club. It's one thing to be in a club, it's another thing to become an officer in a club or the chair of an event. So I would encourage them to take the next step to actually lead a project or an event.